What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be doing a walkthrough on the Bybit website. Guys, as you know, we recently partnered with Bybit as an official partner, and guys, we are now moving most of our crypto trading, all of our crypto trading to the Bybit platform now. Bybit, as you know, is a platform where you trade crypto, but guess what, guys? It is not just crypto anymore. Using their trade file, you can now trade forex, you can trade stocks and commodities as well on Bybit using up to 500x leverage. So in this video, I'm just going to go through some of the portals over here, some of the tools over here which you can use when you sign up. By the way, if you don't have an account with Bybit, make sure to use the link in the description, or if you have an account, you can also create another account using a separate KYC. Now, if you sign up using my link in the description, guys, I'm going to be giving out free 1 month data subscription or free 1 month signal, so free signal subscription to my signal group, which is sub signal group, where we post all our BTC trades and stuff like that. So make sure to check the link below this video or in the pin comment section. So this is the website over here, and I want to now try to love about the website, the PC version. I'm also going to be making a video on the Android version as well, so you might as well want to subscribe to this channel, then also check out the playlist, because I'm going to have a playlist for them where you have access to other tutorials, all right, on the mobile app. So over here, as you can see, this is where we have our assets, right? And if you come to the website and you want to make deposits, now there are different deposit options. You recently deposited amounts there, which I'm going to be using for some BTC opportunity in their futures trading um, section. So if you click on deposits, right, you will see that there are different ways you can deposit. You can either go through the normal P2P, or you can use NG or your Visa card, to fund your account. Then you can also use the normal crypto, where you have to deposit via blockchain networks. All right, so there are different ways or different kind of coins you can deposit on their website, right? As you can see, you can deposit it. Then, let's say, for example, you want to deposit USDT, for example, then you have to change it. So, pretty much the way we do it in most, pretty much the way we do it in most crypto exchanges out there. So very smooth, very easy. And one major thing I like about their website when you're using the PC version is that it doesn't lag. Like when you refresh or when you are going through, everything is just smooth. The UI is just calm. It's just calm, seriously. So yeah. Now in this area over here is where you can search for, let's say, whatever, let's say, crypto pairs. You can search for trending events and stuff like that. You can even search for stocks. Remember I told you you can trade stocks also on Bybit. So let's say, for example, you want to trade, let's say, Tesla, for example. You type Tesla here, you can see it will give you Tesla under spot. Now this one under spot is where you buy and you have the stock, all right, the tokenized stocks with you. Then this one over here is yeah, the leverage side of stocks, which is on that trade file over here. So as you can see, this is spot. So then you can also go to latest events that's happening on Bybit and stuff like that. So this is basically what this area is, just like searching for pairs on the on Bybit as well. Now, if you go to more over here, this is where we have the reward hubs, then we have live streams, then we also have the Bybit Learn, where you can get to learn a lot about crypto. Like, for example, if you are new into crypto and you want to learn more about crypto, this is where you want to visit. Then also have where we have the announcement, the update, and stuff like that. Now, one other good thing about Bybit is also their referral and affiliate program. Now, if you are a regular referrer on the site, you can get up to 40% or 30% commission in trading fees when you refer people to, Bybit, which is actually very good, because some exchanges out there do like 20%, some 10%, and it's actually lifetime. So it is very, very cool. Very, very cool. Now, we also have this wallet over here in case you want to engage in Web3 wallet, you want to connect it to your Bybit account, but you want to have custody of your coins, as you can see over here. You can use it, and once you are connected, or once you create your own wallet, then you also have access to these dApps over here. And this, you can also have access to pump.fun. Now, for those of you who don't know what pump.fun is, actually a website where you normally launch, you can create and launch Solana meme coins, right? Straight, without any form of technical background or whatever. So you can connect it to your Web3 wallet right here on Bybit, and pretty much do the whole thing, the whole process, carry out the whole process yourself, and launch your coin. Just the same way you do on other wallets like Trust wallets, the rest of them, MetaMask as well. So over here we have the finance, right? So this is where you earn. Here you can earn, like, let's say, staking rewards and stuff like that. Then there's also the one that will give you higher rewards as well. So as you can see over here, they also have the crypto loans, where if you want to take loans, if you have some kind of collateral in the system and you want to take loans for some projects or stuff like that, crypto loans, you can also do that on Bybit as well. And I also have the margin staked SOL, where you get to stake your Solana, all right, on chain, and you leverage it for margin borrowing and stuff like that. And they also have the Bybit card, which is actually something not every exchange have out there, right? With the Bybit card, you can do online transactions and stuff like that. You can using the card, even offline using the card as well. They also have a system. I think they have an app for this called the Bybit Pay app. So this is, you can use this for your normal day-to-day transaction, like we have in Nigeria, we have the OPay, but I think basically what you spend here is the USDT, all right, which is more like the general stable coin. So, like, for example, if you click this link over here now, it's going to open up the Bybit Pay page. It's actually smooth because not every exchange has this, and with Bybit being one of the most secured and topmost crypto exchange over here, right? This particular feature is also something you might want to actually take a look at. As you can see, it's just like Cash App, that kind of stuff where you just scan and you pay for stuff. So that's what the Bybit Pay is all about. Not every crypto exchange have it out there. No, and some of them that claim to have it, you know, they don't really function that well compared to the way Bybit Pay does. Now over here we have the OTC trading. Then under the tools, we have the copy trading. Now, this is basically for a lot of you guys who maybe you don't know how to trade, or you are still learning how to trade, but you still want to be making money from trading from the markets, either trading crypto, right? And you don't want to be so focused on how to make money from a skill you are still learning. Like, you want to focus more on learning. Now, you can also get a demo account on Bybit. I'm also going to show you that in this video. You can also get a demo account on Bybit, where you can also get a kind of practice account for you to learn how to trade as well. So as you can see over here, I have the copy trading. Basically, what you do, just like most copy trading platform, you go to the copy trading sites, then you look for traders who you look at their track record and see the one that you can copy, and stuff like that. So over here is their trade GPT, which is more like a leverage AI trading system. We also have that on Bybit. Then now I'm going to be making separate videos from time to time explaining, breaking down or giving tutorials on all this stuff. All right, so you might want to subscribe to this channel and also save the playlist, so that when I post a video and it gets added to the Bybit playlist, you get notified as well. So I also have a trading bot which you can customize based on how you want to trade, for your how based on your strategy. Let's say, for example, you're using a martingale or whatever strategy you're using to trade crypto or BTC, you have access to that trading bot you can customize. Now, um, this one over here, which is TradeFi, is actually one that I am very, very interested in, and I've been testing it out. This is the one where you can trade forex. All right. Now, I think initially, if you're opening Bybit for the first time, right, you're going to see a bold pop up here that's going to say apply, right? Now, the reason it's saying transfer is because I already clicked that apply. Now, it's not as if you're going to apply for something else, but it's just going to connect you to TradeFi. So you can use TradeFi. Even on the mobile app, is the same thing, right? Now, once you click that apply, the only requirement is that you need to verify your KYC before you can use TradeFi, right? You can't use TradeFi if you're not verified. So you want to be verified. I think level two, not really that much high verification, just normal government issued ID, then your selfie, that's all. So once you are done with that, then you can now transfer funds to your TradeFi because there's a way it's separated from your regular account. TradeFi on Bybit is a little bit separated from your regular account, so that's why you need to transfer funds. Then those funds now will be converted to USDX. All right. Then you can now choose, you can now confirm your leverage and stuff, other stuff like that when you've transferred. So let's look at other features they also have. Now this is for under the tools. So this is the demo trading I talked about the other time where I said that you can get an account where you, if in case you want to practice, right? You are still learning, you also want to be practicing on Bybit, you can get a demo account on Bybit and practice your trading. Now, in terms of the actual trading, right? I've talked about TradeFi already. Now they do have different types of trading. They have the spot, they have the futures, they also have options as well. So yeah, if you're an option trader, you can also trade options on Bybit. You can trade BTC options, ETH, Solana, and the recently added one, which is an XRP, Ripple options. You can trade them right here on Bybit. You can't really get this on other exchange out there. So if you're an option trader, maybe you don't like forex market, the whole slippage and stuff like that, or you don't just like forex market, you might want to, and you are an option trader and you don't trade crypto the way crypto is, then option trading would actually be cool for you. Then you can also opt into trading with Bybit as well. So you have the features over here, which you already know is the leveraged crypto trading feature, where you get to trade with leverages. All right. So over here, this is where you search for the different types of markets that they do have on platform. So there are quite a lot of things that you can do on Bybit, just a whole lot of them. I'm still going to be making a whole lot of videos about Bybit, so subscribe to this channel, because one reason why I actually as got into partnership with them is because there is not just the crypto, come and buy crypto, buy and sell crypto, long or short crypto platform. Now, sometimes, for example, I do trade gold, as you know. So sometimes I might need, I don't want to moving from one platform to another just because I trade BTC and gold at the same time. So here I can easily just take my gold trade and take my BTC trade. So that's all for this introductory video. So guys, if you um, don't have an account with Bybit, make sure to use the link in the description. This will also support us to keep pushing out content, to keep pushing out our market analysis and all those stuff. This is how we get supported as content creators, bringing out information out there for you guys. All right. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share this video, and in all you do, make sure guys that you stay profitable. All right. Take care and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.